do. Yeah. Anyway, I came back because I wanted to show y'all what my hair looked like. Yes, I got this hair scarf on my head. I'm gonna do me. Y'all gonna do y'all. Wrap your hair up. I like to do silk satin. You see the little strings? It's gonna get stuck in my hair, but that's fine. So I did a conditioner treatment overnight, and I just wrapped my hair up, and then I kept my roots all teased like this, just so it can be flourishing with the pomade grease that I used in my hand. Okay. Shout out to my products that I normally use. Thank you. So yeah, but I just wanted to show y'all how long my hair is, and then I'm gonna take it out so y'all can see the process of what the curls look like. I'm gonna show y'all one curl. So I simply just pull out my rubber band like that, and I got another rubber band right here too. So I simply pop the rubber band up here at the top like this, and I'm putting my finger in there, making sure that I don't, or I'm gonna take it off like this. Normally I pop it, and if I don't pop it, then I just unwind it how it's winding better, so I don't break any of my hair follicles out like that. But sometimes when I have a struggle like that, like this, I just simply pull it, and it pops the rubber band. Okay, and then pull my curls apart like that. Just so I can keep my curl pattern all nice and neat. And then I'm gonna rewash my hair as well too. I just want my hair to have a curl pattern to itself because I am changing the texture of my hair. So yeah, but do y'all see how long it is from what it looked like before? Yeah, so that's how you know my product is working. And I've been doing these conditioner treatments and washing my hair, using specific type of shampoo and conditioner and stuff like that that helps my hair, keeps my hair flourishing, keeps it all nice and neat, and makes it not falling out, especially after having my hair braided up for a couple of weeks as well too, just to rejuvenate it and stuff like that. Because depending on what products that you use from this looks funny, but anyway, let's get back to the topic. But depending on what products that you use to get your hair braided and stuff like that, that can change the effect of how you want your hair to be as well too. So I'm growing my hair out to be curly with a nice little wave to it as well too. So yeah, so I'm gonna do that all around my head, from the front to the back, boom, and yeah, I'll be back with the finished product. All right, so we back. I just wanted to show y'all, the process of me taking it all out and stuff like that, because we having a jam session in the background, but we can't have all that on YouTube. So I hope y'all enjoy, but we're gonna have a little tones in the background though. So this is my tutorial on how to take out my conditioner treatment. So yeah, y'all enjoy. Switching to the other side. Okay, little 1, 2, little 1, 2. Take that rubber band out and do that top one. Okay, yeah. Let's go to the back now. Switch your 1, 2. Don't be afraid to struggle in the back, because some people like myself have a challenging time when it comes to the back of your head. But hey, you're going to do what you got to do when you want to keep your hair nice and tight. Okay? All right. Let's do the front. Get into the curls. Okay. So yeah, I just need to show y'all what it look like after taking my little pots out. Yeah, I know what to do. Pulling it apart and make sure I get into each of them, and then I'm just gonna let my hair sit in some conditioner. I want to say probably for like 15 minutes or so, 10 minutes maybe, and then I'm gonna go from there. Yeah. All right, I'll be back. All right, so I just put some water in here. You have to wash it out. Little one too, rejuvenate before I add in my shampoo. Next, it's the shampoo process. Let it lather through. Just want y'all to see the whole thing. I'm gonna go to the little sink real quick, wash the hair out. Make sure I get each part of it. Look at this flowing and bouncy. The water little drip, drip, dry. Okay? Hold on. Now this is the conditioner treatment. Have me a little bob going to the side, yeah. Long hair don't care. And a little conditioner in the back as well too, making sure that you get each follicle inside your hair. So then this is me with my hair just conditioned. You see the curls, long curl pattern. And it is all the way to my root as well too. It's just my hair is absorbing everything, which I like. It's a good thing. Yeah, just rejuvenation and all that. But yeah, I'll be back to show y'all what it's like after it's washed. Here's me just washing out the conditioner treatment. You see how like lustrous my hair is? It's curly and bouncy and flowy. After this, we dried it on that, put some little products in it, and called it a day. But y'all should try this at home as well too. These products are amazing. If you have your own natural hair as well too, you can do anything. But this is my process. So y'all, hope y'all enjoy. Now it's time to go. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.